Ibang negosyo sana ang pinaplanong simula ni Juliana Ventura, ngunit dahil sa pandemya ay naun siya mito. Pero sabi nga nila, when one door closes, another opens. Kasagsagan rin noon ng pandemya ng aksidente niyang maisip na simulan ng kanyang homemade food delivery business. Alamin natin ang kanyang business story dito lang sa Negosyo Tayo.
Ako si Juliana Ventura. Sa halagang 5,000, meron na ako ngayon homemade food delivery business. Dati meron akong sariling online buy and sell, and at the same time, ang plano ko talagang i-launch is for kids wear and moms wear. Ang nangyari, ang launching namin dapat March 25 pero nagkaroon tayo ng lockdown ng March 15. Iniisip ko noon na hindi talaga siya para sa akin, and God moves in mysterious ways. Little did I know na konting hintay lang, ito naman yung i-bless niya sa akin. Kaya ngayon, nasa food business na ako. This started 2 weeks into pandemic, nung nag-ECQ nung March 15, 2020. So, lockdown tayo and dito kami nakatira sa condo. So, since bawal lumabas lahat, and nung time na yon, nag-start ako magbenta sa marketplace dito sa condo namin ng eggs, fresh eggs. And from the first 10 buyers nung mga eggs na binentahan ko, naisip ko lang na magbenta ng lasagna since gumawa kami. 6 doon nag-order, and in less than 10 minutes pagka-deliver sa units nila, lahat sila nag-reorder agad. Months after, nag-pick up siya, nagkaroon na sumunod ng truffle pasta, tsaka ng baked shawarma, and then meron din tayong baked nachos. So, dahan-dahan siya, hindi siya biglaan na madami agad yung mga in-order na dishes. A little trivia about the names of my menu. They are all named after the pet names of my mom to us siblings. We are 8 siblings all in all. And yung mom namin is very charming and very sweet, and mahilig siya magbigay ng pet name sa amin lahat. Actually, tawag dito happy imbento. Kasi pag foodie ka, talagang hindi ka siguro titigil hanggang makuha mo yung lasa na gusto mo, na magagawa mo sa bahay. It's just very fortunate na yung hilig namin kumain, ngayon napapagkakitaan na rin namin. Pero yung best part of it is we get to be part of people's celebrations. I'm also a diver, I'm an underwater photographer. Ang naging challenge lang is pag nasa out of town ako, naka-hold muna to. But the good thing about it is my friends and relatives and neighbors, they understand. And lagi silang willing to wait until makabalik ako sa Manila. I like having a personal touch, a personal approach to my clients. Like, pag nagtatanong sila sa menu ko, I would like to find out first and foremost for ano yung purpose, ano yung event. Naglalagay kami ng balloon, ng birthday balloon. If it's anniversary, we also try to do other things na, kumbaga, go extra mile pa. Sa lahat ng passion ko sa buhay, kahit sa diving, lahat ng colors ko, fuchsia pink. Hindi light pink, hindi neo pink, fuchsia pink. In terms of the food, because this is my work every day, and I believe in color psychology, I believe na dapat pagkaharap mo yung favorite mo na color or yung pinaka nagpapasaya sa'yo, mas nagpapasaya rin sa trabaho mo. One of my advice is turn your pain into power, turn your pain into purpose, turn your pain into passion, and you will never feel like you're working. Feast on life, celebrate with love. Kaya naman, tara, negosyo tayo!